Assalamualaikum. Today I want to introduce about differentiation. So, what is a differentiation? Differentiation is a basic concept in calculus used to find the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. There are several techniques of differentiation in calculus, such as product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Each technique is used depending on the form of the function. In this topic, we choose a product rule. Product rule is a formula to find the derivative of a function that is product of two other functions. As you can see, the formula is dy over dx equal to u times dv over dx plus v times du over dx. So, what is the main function, the whole? U is the first part of the product and v the second part of the product. Dx over du is the derivative of the first part and dx over dv is the derivative of second part. So, bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RAS1133D. So, I will show the example of the question by using the product rule. So, for the first one, as we know, the formula of product rule is dy dx equal to uv prime plus by vu prime. So, we go to the first question, which is fx equal to x cubed minus 2x times by 4x squared minus 1. So, the first one, we need to label where is the u, where is the v. So, the first one, this is the u, and the second one, this is the v. So, next we need to find the u prime and also the v prime. So, how to find the u prime is we need to differentiate this u, and for the v prime is also to differentiate. So, for the u prime, x cubed will become to the 3x squared minus 2. So, for the v prime, it will become 2 times 4, so 8x. Okay, so we get the u prime and also the v prime. So next, we go to the solve this question by using this formula, which is dy dx equal to uv prime. So uv prime, u with the v prime, x cubed minus 2x times by 8x. Plus vu prime. So for vu prime, 4x squared minus 1 times by 3x squared minus 2. Okay, so we solve this question as always. Then we will get 8x4 minus 16x squared plus 12x4 minus 8x squared minus 3x squared plus 2. Then we plus minus this equation, then we will get the final answer, which is 20x4 minus 27x squared plus 2. So this is the final answer for this example of question.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. So my name is Nurhanis Farhana binti Anwar, and now I'm going to show you the second example for product rule. So as what have been explained by Fashan Alisa just now, the formula for product rule is dy dx equals to uv prime plus vu prime. So now for these equations, first thing first, we have to label which one is a u and which one is a v to make it simple. So now I'm going to label u as x minus 1 and v as 7x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3. So now we will get u prime as 1 and v prime as 28x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 2. So now, what we have to do is combine all these equations into this formula. We will get dy over dx equals to uv prime plus vu prime. So just sub all the numbers that we have differentiate into the equations, and now we will get x minus 1 times 28x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 2 plus 7x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 times 1. So now we have to expand the bracket, and we will get 28x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 3, 28x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus 7x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3. And now we have to solve the equations, and we will get the final answer is 35x to the power of 4 minus 32x to the power of 3 and 3x to the power of 2. So that's all.
In conclusion, the product rule is a differentiation method used when a function is made up of two functions multiplied together. Instead of differentiating both functions at the same time, we differentiate one function at a time while keeping the other unchanged. The formula for the product rule is f prime x gx plus fx g prime x. This rule is important because it helps us find the correct rate of change and is commonly used in solving more advanced calculus problems.